How to make sticky bras sticky again. Don't feel cheated by the convincing saleslady who suggested that sticky bra was a good idea. No stickiness lasts forever. Here are some of the simplest, wallet-friendly ways to make a sticky bra sticky again. Clean it right. Use warm water. Warm water is gentle on the adhesive and on the bra itself. It also helps it get clean faster. The gentle wash keeps the cups pliable for your use. Use hand soap. Hand soap is usually designed gentle and even moisturizing, so it doesn't strip your skin or dry it out. A few drops, not a river, just a trickle should mix well with the warm water to make a gentle cleanser. Here are some tips for washing. If you see any visible dirt or grime in the cup, rub it away gently with the palm of your hand. Don't use anything else, it would leave microfibers or be too abrasive. To rinse it, run it under clean warm water without additional scrubbing. Shake off additional water droplets before drying. Use natural drying. Resist the urge to use a towel or tissue to dry them. Any microfibers that stick to the cups will defeat the purpose of cleaning them in the first place. Turn them sticky side up on a clean, flat surface, like a counter or a dresser, and let them dry overnight. Use a cheat. Sometimes, you don't always have a leisurely night in which to prepare your sticky bra for the next day. For the times you need a quick fix, double-sided fashion tape will save you. Carry some of this around in your purse. If you feel the stick bras rebelling, especially on a particularly hot night, use wet wipes to clean the area on your skin and use double-sided fashion tape over the adhesive. Take care of it. Remember, sticky bras need attention and care so they can keep working the way you want them to. Put it on dry. Before putting on a sticky bra, make sure the area is clean and dry. The best approach is to pat yourself down and then air dry. Make sure you're not anywhere that could get you sweating. Put the sticky bra on slowly, and press it on firmly. The dry skin and adhesive should take naturally to one another. Take it off slow. Adhesive should be treated with care, and roughly pulling it off will only damage the adhesive section. Instead, peel it off slowly and carefully. The adhesive will remain intact, and ready for more use. Clean it right after taking off your sticky bra, put it through the washing steps. The sooner this is done, the less time your sticky bra has to accumulate more lint and dirt. It also makes sure you put it away soon, preserving its shape and strength. With care and attention, your sticky bra can keep going even up to 30 to 50 wears.